children, today let's start with chapter number 13, that is our mineral wealth. So let's study about the minerals. We use various things in our daily life. So these things are made up of iron, copper, steel, aluminium, gold. So we also use petrol, diesel, coal, kerosene or various purpose, and these are found under the earth's surface. The things which are dug out from the earth is called minerals. So minerals are one of the most valuable resource of India. क्या है सबसे valuable resource है? We have to dig out the earth to get these substance. और ये आप क्या form करते हैं? They are found in the form of the land or the rocks are dug deep and big holes are made to take out minerals, and these holes are called mines. Digging out of mineral from the earth's surface is called mining. Some minerals are found below the bottom of the sea. So match the two columns and to find the use of given substance. Let's study about different types of minerals. We have two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. So what are metallic minerals? Some minerals that gives us metals like iron, copper, aluminium, gold, silver, nickel. They are not found in the pure form. We have to extract them from the, so non-metallic mineral, coal, mica, petroleum, limestone, potash and sulfur. Right? They are non-metallic mineral. Coal and petrol are used as fuel for source of power. They are also known as mineral food. So India is very rich in minerals, but we don't find all the minerals everywhere. These resources are distributed very evenly. Now we shall study the important minerals at the stage where they are largely found. Right? Iron it is very useful and important metal. It is used to make different types of products. It is hard, easily available, cheap metal. It is dug out from the mines and it is purified before use. So then it is melted in large plants to obtain crude iron or steel. Crude iron is also called what? Pig iron. India has large amount of iron ores. Large deposit of irons, they are found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, West Bengal, Goa, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. जो पहला आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट था वो कहाँ सेटअप हुआ था? आपका जमशेदपुर इन बिहार, नाउ इन झारखंड. अदर स्टेट प्लांट्स आर भिलाई छत्तीसगढ़, रौलकेला, विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश. देन वी हैव भाद्रावती कर्नाटका, सलेम तमिलनाडु and Bokaro, that is Jharkhand. Now copper, it is the soft metal. It is used for making different objects such as tools, utensils, electric wire. Copper is mainly found in Masubani, Raksha, Rekha mines in Jharkhand, Khetri Nagar, Dariba in Rajasthan and some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite ores. It is used to make utensils, aeroplane, electric wires, auto wire. It is found in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Then we have manganese. It is used in manufacturing of steel, glass products. It is also used in chemical paints and fertilizers. South Africa, largest producer है manganese का. India has about 1/4 of the world's iron ore deposit. So why? Manganese is found in large amount in Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Then we have gold. It's a precious metal. It is used for making coins, metal, statues and jewelry. It is also used in many electrical devices, जैसे mobile phones हो गया, computer हो गया. It is not very rich in gold and it is found in Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. So we can say that coal mines of Karnataka have been closed, so we have to import it. These are some metallic minerals. Now we will study about non-metallic. First is coal. It is important mineral. Basically, it is used, some most important mineral, it is used to produce electricity. कहाँ मिलता है? बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल, महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, उड़ीसा. Important coal mine at Korba, Dhanbad, Raniganj, Jharia and Bhopal. It is also used as fuel in factories for cooking. It is dark brown or black in color, so it is called black diamond. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Black diamond कहते हैं. Mica. India was the largest producer of mica in the world. It is used in manufacturing of electric goods, medicines, wireless sets, and it is mainly found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Mineral oil is liquid mineral. It is also called crude oil. It is pumped out from the underground through deep wells. It is refined in refineries to get petrol, diesel, kerosene, spirit and cooking gas. It is also used in the production of detergent, fertilizer, pharmaceuticals, plastics, synthetic rubber, artificial fiber, insecticides and some oil refineries in India are established where? In Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Mathura, Baroni, Panipat, Haldia, Jamnagar. राइट ये चीफली यूज किया जाता है फ्यूल. ये आपको असम, गुजरात, और मुंबई हाई में भी देखने को मिलता है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ओल्डेस्ट फील्ड दैट इज दिग्भोई इन असम. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इसका कंजप्शन ज़्यादा है देन प्रोडक्शन, कहाँ पे इसको इम्पोर्ट किया जाता है? कुवैत में, इराक, ईरान, रशिया, ब्राजील एंड सऊदी. नेचुरल गैस, इट इज अनदर सोर्स ऑफ फ्यूल. ये आपको कहाँ मिलता है? नियर ऑयल वेल्स. इट इज यूज्ड टू कुक फूड एंड रन फैक्ट्रीज. इट इज मोस्टली फाउंड इन गुजरात एंड असम. Then we have conservation of mineral resources. So the description above shows that minerals are very essential for us. They fulfill most of our needs, but they take millions of years to be formed. So there are limited deposit of them and they cannot last forever. Once used, they are exhausted. Therefore, they should not be wasted. They should be conserved and used carefully. So we should also use solar energy, wind energy and water energy in place of mineral. Solar energy, wind energy and water energy, they are renewable source of energy and we should stop wastage of these minerals, right? आपको minerals का wastage को stop करना है. Deposit of various minerals on the earth are limited. They will get finished someday. It's our duty to use every resource wisely. और आपको उसको waste नहीं करना है. For the coming generation आपको उसको बचा के रखना है. That's all for today. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.